Hello guys, my name is Karina Febriola and I'm a Faculty of Letters student in Christian University of Indonesia. And in this video, I would like to tell you guys that you should leave Android and start using iPhone. Why? I will explain in this video. So guys, the time we live in can be fairly called the epoch of mobile devices. Every time you use public transportation, have lunch break, attend a meeting, or walk down the street, you will see people staring at their phones, their tablets, their smartwatches, and other gadgets, completely absorbed in their bluish glow. In developed countries, it has become almost impossible to imagine a person having no smartphone or its substitutes, since the pace of modern life has become intertwined with the usage of mobile gadgets. Which model is better? What about the camera? How long will the battery last? Can I run games on it? What are the specifications? There are some questions an average consumer may have when browsing shops in search of new gadget. Okay, so nowadays there are two giants holding a monopoly on the market of mobile devices, Apple with its iOS and Google with its Android OS. Although the latter is more affordable and often as efficient than the former, there are many people who prefer Apple products despite their price tags. If you browse the internet, you will find tons of blog posts, articles, comparisons, and videos, each arguing in favor of either Apple or Android. If you are looking for a new smartphone and haven't yet decided which brand to choose, let us try to analyze the reason why you might want to consider buying iPhone. Not necessarily the latest model. Okay, first of all, iPhones are extremely easy to use. When one starts to use a new Android device, a user has to go through a number of setup instructions, confirm policies, and so on. In the case of an iPhone, you just turn it on, and it is ready to use. There is no need to download third-party application and adjust tricky parameters. An iPhone has everything you need right from the box and delivers an extremely personalized experience of usage. The second reason why you should use iPhone is because no matter which iPhone model you use, your device will receive iOS update on time, right after it is released. In the case of Android devices, the situation is different. Okay, so the third reason is when buying a device on iOS, you will never have to deal with the pre-installed carrier-borne application you will never need. Many phones running on Android suffer from this problem. In addition to standard Google applications, manufacturers often install a bunch of their own apps that user cannot delete from the phone. Okay, another reason is since we are examining mobile devices, security is an important aspect that should be considered before purchasing a gadget. iOS is more secure than Android. It has much less malware developed for it and is more difficult to break into and steal data from due to its closed structure. Apple developers fervently protect code, so there is little to no opportunity for third-party developers to make changes in it. In conclusion, it can be said that every user purchases mobile devices based on his or her needs. It shouldn't be bluntly stated that one mobile platform is superior to another, since each of them has its own advantages and disadvantages, and whether a platform fits you or not depends on your preferences and priorities. In this regard, if you value safety, timely updates, a homogeneous design, and stability, then iOS is probably for you. And I think that's all I can say about why you should choose iPhone than Android. I hope this video give an impact for you after watching it, and thank you for your attention, guys.